Nothing like the smell of Bondo in the morning. It's about time for another song. I hope you haven't had to wait too long. I've been really busy, an hour a day. I haven't changed clothes, blue jeans are gray. I've been grinding and sanding and hiding my mistakes, fixing all the damage that my welder makes. I've been reading, deleting comments and hate, worried about my next court date. I run my hand across some dodge dot lines, feel the dips and waves that I gotta make right. Gotta get it flat, so I use my hand, fold the paper 3 times before I sand. I'm spreading filler on the ocean floor, 1 or 2 tins, just a little more. Use it all up, let the Bondo pour. I'm making all these cars worse than before. You ain't learning watching my mistakes. I'm smoothing out my panels like a big sponge cake. Got dust in my lungs, can't complain. Cash in the background, sanding again. He doesn't say much, nothing to say. I wonder how long before he runs away. Yeah, I'm spreading filler on the ocean floor. Gotta feather them edges, don't rush the cure. You rush this job, she'll crack for sure. No doubt in my mind, it's happened before. Take what you like and throw away the rest. I'm not even trying to do my best. The car's next owner is gonna get screwed. Gotta make myself happy doing what I do. Can't really see, standing by feel. Forgot about windows, nothing seems real. People wanna see me doing it right, but I've only got an hour, haven't got all night. I lay filler on the ocean floor, smoothed her out after every pour. Still got waves underneath that fill, can't see them now. Everybody chill! I lay filler on the ocean floor, smoothed her out after every pour. Got no pain inside this door, car's gonna rust like never before. All my fanboys love my work, Michael and the Hermit and Bruce the Jerks. Answer every comment, every bit. Probably wanna buy this piece of shit. I'm spreading filler on the earth.